This evil thing.
I know. I was there.
But I know I can put it behind me.
You're gonna kill again. You know it, and I know it.
Eric Kamenko is expected to be released this month.
Во овој возбудлив трилер, Расел Кроу е во улога на полупензиониран полицаец кој следи насилен тинејџер што току излезен од затвор.
Hey! Tell me where we met.
You really don't remember me? I got a Lucky Star tattoo.
Нежност, недела, 23 часот и 15 минути.
You kissed that girl!
What girl, Lori?
You could do things to me. Things you want.
You know who this kid is? You have any idea what he's done? He's not someone you can trust, you understand? That kid is a killer.